Hey guys, today we have some modeling clay. This is air dried, so you don't have to worry about putting it in the oven to make it harden. You just have to leave it out. And today we're just gonna make some molds as we have here. We're gonna use the clay, and you can use this for anything, for pottery, for making your own creation. You don't have to use molds. We have molds here. You could do whatever you want with the clay using your imagination. We have 6 different molds with animals. So we're gonna open it up. So opening the box, the clay is really wet and moisturized, so make sure you have a clean environment, have a mat to be able to use clay. So after 2 days of drying, here we have the final product. So let's take them out of the mold to see what they look like.
All right, here's the final product. If you guys can see, some of it came out pretty good and it dried up. I like this panda bear, but my rabbit, not my rabbit. I could always fix this by putting clay in here and going over it and let it drying up. But look at the puppy, came out really good on the molds. All right, here's the finished product, guys. Look at this. This is a little panda, a little frog, a little cat, a little dog, and a rabbit. Unfortunately, the rabbit, when it dried up, the ear broke. So air dry is perfect for any children that are going to be coloring, painting. This is perfect. You can mold it to your like. You can make your own designs. I hope you guys enjoy the video.